This is sagebrush country, backbone of the West. The balance of life here is precarious. Winters are harsh. Summers are dry. Yet more than 350 species of plants and animals thrive here. Many are found nowhere else. And all depend on a healthy plant community. That includes wildflowers, bunch grasses, and sagebrush. This iconic American ecosystem supports a rich diversity of life. Sagebrush shrubs provide food and shelter for wildlife and capture snow in the winter, which becomes water in the summer. Roots of native plants allow soils to soak up this water and sustain a vibrant ecosystem. For people and for wildlife. All of this depends on a healthy sagebrush ecosystem. But an aggressive invader is spreading across the West, threatening to send it all up in flames. An invasive non-native grass called cheatgrass has spread rapidly across more than 50 million acres of North America, the approximate size of Idaho, outcompeting native plants and eliminating food and habitat for wildlife. It severely reduces people's ability to use the land for ranching, hunting, and a wide range of recreational opportunities. Worst of all, it's coating the West in a dense and highly flammable fuel, which is making wildfires more severe and up to 22 times more frequent, and putting large swaths of the West at risk for large fires. In many places, they threaten to permanently eliminate the sagebrush plant community and leave behind a wasteland. Without a healthy sagebrush ecosystem, water, wildlife, and Western economies are at risk. We cannot afford to look away. We need to minimize the spread of cheatgrass and promote native plants. This should be done by way of science-based plans that address invasive species, on-the-ground projects to restore degraded habitat, and funding to implement them. Together, we must stop the spread of cheatgrass.